Hello friends, welcome back to my world of elegance, history and the culture of the beautiful land of Myanmar where fashion meets tradition through the timeless charm of Myanmar dress, also known as the Myanmar traditional attire, from the gentle flow of skill to the artist embroidery. Every thread of these dresses tells a story of pride, beauty and heritage. Myanmar dress, tradition dress, now locally as longing for men and women, has been a symbol for national identity of centuries. The woman visions often called headmans is not clothing, it's a piece of art, craft with love, patience and inscribed skill. The Myanmar dress blend and elegance, whether it on wedding, culture, festival or everyday life, it reflects the modesty and grain. Myanmar women's soft skill, hand potent and natural light creates rich tones. Green, ruby, red, spear, blue, each color inspired by Myanmar landscape and tradition. The top part of the outfit, now as the pair perfectly with the headband together, they form a complete look that highlight both tradition and modern charms. Women often complete their outfit with delicate on their cheeks are traditional natural cosmetics that add glow and fragrance. Yes, the essence remain the same culture beauty through generations. Each Myanmar dress has its own style of dress. Women prefer soft floral patterns inspired by the wattle peaceful wattle royal design with gold thread embroidery dominates, symbolizing prestige and nobility. And the young women love to mix traditional fabric with modern fashions, creating a trend that the past and the presents. Every Myanmar dress is made with dedications, skilled weave spande. The weaving process slow but soulful, done on handlooms that have been used for centuries. It's more than fashion. It's heritage in motion. For special occasions like women wear the finest female dress, shimmering fabrics, gold jewelry, and floral tucked behind the hair. Each look celebrates femininity, dressing culture pride. The beauty of female dress is not only in how it looks but represent respect, tradition, and unity. It's connect generations and grandmother who wore hand-dyed cotton to modern women wearing designer skill creations. Today, Myanmar designing are taking traditional style to international stages. Modern proudly walk runaway in modern side Myanmar dress. Walk runaway bringing Myanmar culture into the world. Each outfit inspire a reminder or edit in your strength. Whether it a casual wear so for a sunny day or a loose for a grand event in Myanmar dress fit every moment beautifully. It's just not fashion, it's emotion, it's culture, it's the soul of Myanmar woven into fabric. The next time you see a Myanmar dress, look closer, you see the stories of touch of handmade art and the glow of timeless beauty. Thank you for watching.